Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I am going to be showing you guys how to make some chocolate mousse. You're only going to need 2 easy ingredients. First, some instant pudding. You can get any flavor you like. I got chocolate because we love chocolate. Second, you're going to need some heavy whipping cream. This recipe is actually a bonus recipe this week, and the reason for that is I had some leftover heavy whipping cream from the last video I did when I made the homemade mixed berry bread topped off with the glaze. If you haven't had a chance to check out that video, I'll put the link to that video in the descriptions below. If you did get a chance to watch that video, you're probably noticing something different with my kitchen. My husband ended up painting our cabinets white, and I love the way they came out. But anyways, before I get started, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and let's get started. First, add your instant pudding and slowly add 2 cups of heavy cream while mixing together. Once the mixture is fully mixed together and started to thicken, place it in the refrigerator and leave to cool for about 15 minutes. After it's been in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, it's time to whisk one last time until it's fully thickened. Place in a container and can leave refrigerated up to a week. Usually in our house, it's gone by the first day. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and please make sure to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. And thanks for watching!